If traditional charity works, why haven't we moved the needle on global poverty? Because it doesn't work. Because social support in places like Cambodia, services such as health, education and housing, have been privatised by charities and controlled by foreigners. And what happens when foreigners are in control of a country's social welfare? Instead of stopping people falling in the river, they wait till they're already drowning. This is a crisis-driven system. Funds flow downstream, with charities handing out life rafts at the bottom of the waterfall. Why? Because that's what attracts donations. People in crisis pull on donors' heartstrings and give saviours the opportunity to dive in and come to the rescue. The result is an endless tide of need and a river of money that keeps traditional charities in business when their real goal should be to render themselves redundant. The answer is clear. The only way to solve poverty and raise the standard of living is to change the downstream systems that create the problem. We can invest upstream by building high-quality public social services that are controlled by local communities and freely available to everyone. We can stop people falling into crisis in the first place. A way to distinguish between upstream and downstream charities is if they're actively working themselves out of a job. An exit strategy is a clear proclamation that a charity is working upstream to solve the root causes of a problem. Cambodian Children's Trust's exit strategy is our Village Hive project. We have partnered with all 10 communes and 62 villages in Battambang district to build a public social protection system that will be owned and operated by the local community. Over the coming years, we will continue to integrate all the prevention and early intervention programs we were previously running privately into public facilities. By 2032, we will have fully transferred control, handing over the reins for the local community to run independently. In Village Hive communities, the data is already showing an improved standard of living, as well as a significant decrease in domestic violence and child-family separation. By investing upstream, Cambodia will quickly reach the day when it is no longer dependent on charities, because the only way to break the cycle of poverty is to break the cycle of charity.